In today's video, we'll recommend you the best upright vacuum to buy in 2022. We included the pros and cons of each product, so you can decide before buying the best one. Coming in number 5 of Best Upright Vacuum 2022 is Shark Cordless Vertex Pro Powered Liftaway. Best Cordless Upright Vacuum. The Shark Cordless Vertex Pro Powered Liftaway is a solid option if you're looking for an upright but don't want to deal with the hassle of a power cord. It's very similar to the now discontinued Shark ION P50 upright in design, with a lift-away alternative configuration that allows you to pick up and carry its canister body separately from its floor head. It's lighter and more maneuverable than most conventional uprights, though its lack of a brush roll-off switch can cause it to get stuck on rug tassels and shag pile carpeting. Its primary brush roll also isn't removable and tends to attract a lot of pet hair, despite its advertised self-cleaning design, making it quite hard to clean properly. At number 4. Hoover Wind Tunnel Tempo Bagged. Best Budget Upright Vacuum. If you're looking for an upright vacuum at a budget-friendly price, consider the Hoover Wind Tunnel Tempo Bagged. Unusually for a vacuum at this price point, this vacuum uses dirt bags that the manufacturer advertises to offer HEPA-level filtration, so you shouldn't worry too much about fine particles spreading around as you clean. The vacuum's simple design also makes swapping in a new dirt bag easy, and you can remove its brush roll from its floor head to clear away any tangled hair. It does an excellent job cleaning debris on bare floors and delivers good overall performance in low and high pile carpets, thanks to its 5-level surface adjustment feature. At number 3. Kenmore Intuition Bagged. Best Bagged Upright Vacuum. If you prioritize the cleaner means of dirt disposal that come with a bagged vacuum, consider the Kenmore Intuition Bagged. It incurs higher costs of ownership than bagless alternatives like the Shark Rotator Liftaway ADV due to the disposable nature of its filters and dirt bag. However, its dirt bag also seals in fine particles and can be released from its compartment with the press of a latch, meaning that you don't need to worry about releasing a plume of dust and debris when emptying it. This vacuum delivers impressive overall performance on low and high pile carpets and does a superb job of cleaning bare floors, though it does struggle slightly with pet hair on this kind of surface. Similar to Shark's lineup of lift-away upright vacuums, you can disconnect its canister from its floor head and carry it around, making it easier to clean hard-to-reach areas with its wand. It also has a pivoting floor head, so you can maneuver around obstacles when used as an upright with less difficulty. Unfortunately, it lacks a brush roll height adjustment feature, so it can sometimes have trouble climbing over low-lying obstructions. Its bulky design can also make it tricky to clean under tables and chairs. At number 2. Shark Apex Upright Vacuum. Best upright vacuum for pet hair. If you're looking for an upright vacuum to deal with pet hair, the Shark Apex Upright Vacuum is an excellent choice. This bagless vacuum is the flagship of Shark's lineup of corded uprights and differs from other models with a larger dustbin and a longer hose. It delivers exceptional pet hair cleaning performance on surfaces like hardwood or tile as well as low and high pile carpets. Like many other Shark vacuums, it has a dual clean floor head with 2 brush rolls. The manufacturer advertises the primary brush roll to be tangle resistant. However, it still tends to collect a fair amount of hair and isn't designed to be removable, making it significantly harder to cut away any stuck hair. Thankfully, its secondary soft roller, designed for improved debris pickup on bare floors, can be pulled out and cleaned pretty easily. At number 1 of the top 5 best upright vacuum 2022 is Shark Rotator Liftaway ADV Best Upright Vacuum. The best vacuum with an upright design that has been tested is the Shark Rotator Liftaway ADV. This bagless upright vacuum delivers outstanding performance on bare floors and does a very good job dealing with debris on low and high pile carpets. Like most Shark upright vacuums, it has a lift-away design that allows you to pick up and carry its canister body separately from its floor head, making it much easier to clean on top of shelves and furniture. It has a couple of attachments like a miniature turbo brush and a hard bristle brush for dealing with stuck-on dirt and debris. It features an adjustable suction control switch and 2 different surface modes that change the speed of its brush roll, allowing you to adapt to a multitude of surfaces quite quickly. Thank you for watching the top 5 best upright vacuum 2022, and we hope you enjoyed our vacuum buying guide. If you have decided to buy the best one, please look at the description below to get further product information.